on, what's going on, man? I decided to go ahead on out here and install these pieces, these ghost window lights. It ain't too hot outside. I'll go out here and get her done. Should take nothing but 20 minutes. I'm not gonna be able to show y'all in this video because it's so it's too bright. But I guess I can try to take y'all step by step while I'm taking the door off. I'm just gonna do the driver. I'm just gonna videotape the driver's side door first. The other side the same way. Ain't no need to record that. But here we go, man. Out here in the Altima, cause gotta get up in here. Already done fucked around and took these pieces off already. Just gotta take that screw off. I'm gonna take this silver piece off. It should be a screw like right here. Take this off. Take this off. And I believe it's a screw somewhere. I think it's in here maybe, but we're gonna see. I'm not gonna get here, take this off. Take this silver thing off. See if we can do it on camera. See if I can get that going. Yes, sir. Oof, don't want to scratch it. Yes, sir. They come on now. Yep, there go the screw right there. Take that out. Just wanted to do this so I can show y'all all the screws. And there's one right here. This one right there. 1, 2, 3. And the door should lift right on up. All right, we back. We got it all on. All I gotta do is, I think I got this thing stuck up in here too. Put everything back on, the screws back in, but I don't know if y'all can tell. I don't know if y'all can see it on my hand. Let me see if I can zoom in. See it? I'm gonna come back out here later on tonight and give y'all a third video of a demo of it. But that's the install. Door back on. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all.